How to make Siomai sauce. Welcome to our cooking channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dim sum with a simple yet essential recipe. The perfect Siomai sauce for business. This sauce will elevate your Siomai, especially if you are thinking of Siomai business. So let's get started. Only simple ingredients are needed for our Siomai sauce. To become a star, we just need 1 piece of chayote, 3 whole cloves of garlic, 150 grams of tausi fermented black beans, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 kilo of long chili peppers. You will see on screen the complete list of ingredients and their correct measurements. Now, let's start cutting our chili long green. Using the sharp knife and used gloves for safety precautions to avoid hot chili in our hands. Chop the chili long into small pieces finely. Or you can use a food processor if you have one at home to make easier for you. Peel the garlic in the same way we did with the chili. We do the same thing with chayote as we do with chili and garlic. And we can also use food processor if you have one at home to speed up the process. Now, let's start cooking. In the pan, put a ½ kilo of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, let's add the finely minced garlic. Stir a little and add the finely chopped chayote. Stir gently. Add the finely chopped chili peppers. Let's just stir it well. Let's just cover it and let it boil for 15 minutes in medium heat, until become golden brown. Let's just stir it so that our ingredients won't stick to the pan. Now, let's add the tausi or fermented black beans. Let's just stir it well. Add soy sauce. Pour slowly and just right amount so it doesn't become salty. Adjust according to your preference. Let's cover and simmer about 5 minutes. Let's add 1 spoon of black pepper powder to enhance the taste. To balance the flavor, add spoon of brown sugar to the sauce. Start with 1 spoon, taste it and adjust according to your preference. Stir well thoroughly until the sugar has dissolved and everything is well combined. Your Siomai sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it alongside your favorite siomai for a truly delightful experience. This sauce not only complements siomai, but you can start a business if you can. Thank you for watching. If you tried this recipe, let us know turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Until next time, happy cooking.